Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested, please subscribe down below, click the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, today's video is gonna be a iPhone, you know, the iOS update that just came out. We're gonna be customizing my phone. So yes, so everybody knows that the new iOS 14 update just came out, and it comes out with some widgets and whatnot, kind of looking cute and all. So I downloaded, Widgetsmith and another app, and I'm going to be customizing my phone for you guys. So I tried to do it first, but then I said, you know, why not do a video out of it? So I'm going to reorganize my phone. So I'm going to start screen recording. And yeah, don't forget guys to like this video, comment down below and share with your friends. Yeah, so without further ado, let us get into the video. So I'm gonna open my phone and start my screen recording. So yes guys, I have the iPhone 7 Plus. So I know a lot of the videos you guys probably be seeing are those from iPhone 10 or iPhone 11. Mine is the iPhone 7 Plus, so I'll be showing you guys how I do that. So let's do that. So this is what I have now. This is what the update looks like. It is kind of cute, you know. So I just have this one page. So I'm gonna be going through and I'm gonna be using, what's it called? I don't even know how to use it, so guys, don't come at me. Widgetsmith. All right, so I was trying to, you know, fix up a widget. So I'm going to see, how do I add this to my thing? I have no idea. So I made this, but I don't know, how do I do this? Guys, I'm gonna be struggling for the entire video because I have no idea how this is done. So that's good. Me struggling to do this. So I looked at I downloaded a motivation because I want, you know, every morning I get up, I actually want a motivation quote or something. So this will probably be at the top or the second half of my thing. So yeah, I want inspiration, productivity. Yeah, I think I'll do those two. And so there's one at the top. You got this. You can do anything you set your mind to. So yeah, set daily motivation reminders. How many? 10 times? Do I want that though? No, I need about 5 times is good, right? Yeah, I think 5 is good. Start at I wake at 7. I'll be waking at what time? I think if we start school, because I start school in a few weeks, for a few weeks or a week or some days from now, I don't even know. October 5. It's the 23rd of September, so yeah, it's in a week, actually, in a week. So I'm gonna set it for, how about 7 a.m. and end at, let's say 10 p.m. So yeah, I'm going to allow, and then yada yada. I'm not okay, so we're gonna click out of that because we're not gonna do that. Okay, so I don't know, what do I do? I don't know if it is that I'm supposed to, you know, I'm gonna watch an ad, so you know, whatnot. But yes guys, I need to figure out how to use these things because I have no clue. I'm not gonna change my wallpaper because I changed it like when I just got the iOS updates. I changed it, so I don't think I'm gonna change that, but I'm gonna change how the phone looks. I'm gonna change, probably don't have like the apps on the front page and just have widgets, and then have the second page being my favorite apps or the most used apps. So yeah, I might do that, I don't know, but yeah. All right, so that's done. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna look. I really don't know. I really don't know. All right, so to edit these apps, I click down as you guys just saw, and I bring them over. I wasn't finished. This is just stressful. This is really stressful. So I'm just bringing these over since I'm trying to put only, oh yes, so my Louis Vuitton background, guys. There it is, look at it. Yeah, anyways, so let's bring these over. We're gonna organize these when I'm done. So the ones at the bottom are the ones I use mostly, so yeah. All right, so to add a widget, I'm gonna press on the plus. Let's see. Oh, there it is. But I don't want it small. I want it like medium. Add to your own screen, and then I guess I'm gonna tap to edit or something. Medium 1. Did I get it? I got it! Guys, I got it! Why am I so excited about this? I have no idea. Anyways, so that's gonna be my time and my dates, and yeah. So yeah, let us try another one. So I'll just take that out. Let's see. Oh, but I did not make any more widgets. Ooh, the motivation. So this is gonna be my second one, and I'm gonna do it this way because I kind of want it. No, I want you below. I don't move these things. Oh, there we go. Yay, it's looking cute so far. So I have my date, my motivation, and I need like, you know, 2 small ones at the same. So I don't know how I'll do that. I kind of want to keep the music here because I listen to quite a few music daily. So let's keep the widgets, but let's keep it small. So you're gonna go down here. Perfect. And let's see what else we want. Photos, no. I want to see what other widgets I can make from the, what's it called, the Widget Smith. So this is the app, the Widget Smith app. So yeah, let's see which other widget we can make. Calendar, weather, do I want weather? Oh, I'm gonna have to pay for that, honey. No. World time, reminders. This could be cute. I don't know. I really don't know. Come on. What's wrong with you? Don't mind that. Photos. Maybe I could do this one. I don't know. Or I could put like 4 of my most used apps at that part, you know? The apps that I use the most could be there. Like I use YouTube a lot. Come on. Let's edit home screen. Let's bring you around. You go where I want you to go. There you go. Oh my god. And I use Instagram sometimes quite a lot. I definitely use TikTok a lot, like way too much. By the way, follow me. Follow me on TikTok. I'll put it up on the screen somewhere. I do a lot of TikToks, just saying. I'm sorry, I ain't gonna apologize for that. And I think I do Snapchat a lot, so I'll put that next. Yeah, go. There we go. So that's looking good so far, I think. So yeah, we're gonna work with that. I think I need to fix this and change like the background or the theme or something, because that pink screen is not working with my so I might change the theme to, you know, a white or a black or something. But yeah, let's try the black. I think the black would actually look much better. There we go. It looks much better with the black. I liked the pink, but on the purple, not feeling it. So yeah, that's the front of my phone. Manona sees already what. Yes, so let's go to this page. Do I want a second page? I'm kind of rooting for, you know, just having this and then not having another page. What y'all think? Yeah, I think I want to do that. Just go into socials for these or something. Like put these, move to app library, move to app library. Put these in app library, so when I click, this is it. This is it. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me down below what you guys think of my phone. This is my first time actually trying to use this. Anyways, I'm not an expert, so don't come at me. Anyways, tell me down below what you thought of my simple iOS, you know, just customizing my phone. I have never had a minimalistic look on my phone. I always have like a lot of apps. It's either I have all the apps, you know, outside of folders, or I have like a page of all my favorite apps, and then the other page is folders, or I have all folders. So it's kind of cute. I kind of like the update that it came out with. You know, it kind of had a little something to the iPhone. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I make a video. Yeah, so anyways guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.